In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google's VO3 AI video creation tool to visualize an incredible race between Usain Bolt and Sonic. This innovative tool can transform simple prompts into captivating visual content, and I'll walk you through the process from start to finish. First, we'll need to access the Google Gemini platform, which is the gateway to using VO3 effectively. So let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to Google's homepage. In the search bar, type Google Gemini and press Enter. This will bring up a list of search results related to Google's AI tools. What we're looking for is the official Google Gemini webpage, so go ahead and click on that link to enter the site. Once on the Google Gemini website, you'll see various features and tools that Google offers. Our focus today is on creating a unique video, so let's proceed by drafting a prompt. In the context of our video, imagine Usain Bolt racing against Sonic the Hedgehog. In the Gemini platform, you'll find a space where you can input your ideas. This is where you sketch out the details of the race. Clearly describe the scene and the dynamics between these two speedsters to guide the AI in generating your vision. With the prompt ready, it's time to move on to using the available tools. On the Gemini interface, locate the Tools section, which houses the VO3 video creation feature. Clicking on Tools will provide a set of options. Here, you need to select Create Videos with VO. This choice directs you to a subsection specifically designed for video creation. At this point, it's important to highlight a few tips for crafting a successful video with VO3. Firstly, be detailed in your prompt. Clarity helps the AI generate more accurate and visually appealing content. Secondly, make sure your internet connection is stable to ensure a smooth creation process and avoid any interruptions. Now, after configuring your settings and ensuring everything is ready, find the Submit button on the platform and click it. Hitting Submit lets the magic of AI unfold as it transforms your prompt into a vivid video representation. Depending on the complexity of your request, this process might take a few moments, so hang tight. By following these steps, you'll soon have a customized video capturing the iconic race between Usain Bolt and Sonic, made truly spectacular with the help of Google's VO3 AI. This tool is a powerful asset for creators, allowing vivid imagination to seamlessly transition into digital reality. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful in exploring AI-driven video creation. Feel free to experiment with different prompts and features within the Gemini platform to unlock more possibilities and enhance your creative projects.